Hi everybody, my name is Shamil, and in collaboration with the world's #1 ink tank printer, Epson, I am thrilled to be among the first person to have my hands on the all-new revolutionary Epson EcoTank L6550 printer. Let's go! Hi, so the first question that is probably lingering at the back of your head is that what is the difference between this printer and your printer at home? So, where do we begin? I know, unlike your typical inkjet printer at home, mine does not need an ink cartridge. Yes, you heard it right. So instead of buying ink cartridges all the time, all you need is a bottle and top up the tank and continue printing. Woo! I know, right? Loving this bottle. Now, I'd like to ask you an even more interesting question. How long does it take for your printer at home to warm up before being able to print? Oh, mine? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now this is what we call heat-free printing technology. I've actually got more to print, and it takes less than 4 seconds to do the magic. Let's go. As a content creator myself, I am always on the go. And the challenge to that is that at times when I need to print documents like scripts or a whole deck to present to clients, I have got to wait till I reach to my studio. But with the Epson EcoTank L6550, I could be anywhere and with literally just a click of a button. Wait for it. Phone call.
Adam, ada kertas ulang dari printer kau sendiri.
Voila! And the job is done. I am literally just scratching the surface when it comes to the many amazing features of this printer. A brand that continues to break new boundaries and a machine that creates endless possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? Be cool and switch to Epson EcoTank printers. I'm gonna watch TV now. Bye-bye.